How to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to stop people from saving your snap, firstly take a snap that you want to send to people and then go ahead and tap on the timer icon you see there at the bottom right of your screen. And here, as you can see, it is set to infinity, which means no limit, which allows users to save your snap. So, in order to stop doing that, simply set the timer to 1 second or 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Or you can also set it to 0 0.1 or 0.25 or 0.5 seconds, but that will require you to have Snapchat Premium. So the safest option here is to set it to below 3 seconds and then tap on the send option you see there and then go ahead and send the snap to the individual. And with this, as soon as they open the snap will vanish and they will not be able to save the snap. So, this was about how you can stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.